So recently, I started using a product called Wet and Forget to clean headstones. It's readily available at most hardware stores and big box stores. It's fairly inexpensive, easy to use, and it's also safe to use. I've been satisfied with the results. It seems like it's fairly effective. The only thing that is unknown is the long-term effectiveness of this product. So about 5 weeks have passed since I started using this, and I'm starting to revisit the headstones that I've cleaned with Wet and Forget. The product continues to work even after you're done scrubbing and rinsing off. My first stop was this Revolutionary War grave marker, which I cleaned 42 days ago. I used the Wet and Forget on it. It cleaned up very nicely. I didn't think it could get much better than this. And here we are, and take a look at it now. It almost looks brand new. I'm absolutely delighted at the job the Wet and Forget did on this one. I know a lot of you had questions about this product, Wet and Forget, and hopefully this answers your questions about its effectiveness over time. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.